Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Luigi's Mansion 3. I know it's been a while since I did a mansion video, but I want to space it out and do other videos on the channel too. But since we're here today, let's see what we can get into on the mansion. Oh, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to never miss an upload. Okay. Ooh, what's going on here? I hope you are enjoying the series. I know with like average people, it would take them maybe, I don't know, 9-10 videos to do. But I want to do a lot of exploring and stuff for you guys too. And have some fun. Okay. Let's get on with it. Oh, okay, big. Okay, see the professor says. Hello? Luigi! Thanks to that boat in your way, it doesn't look like you can go any further. What is a boat even doing there? Hey, good timing. Good timing though. Could you come back to the lab? Something happened. And well, I'll tell you in detail later. Just head back to the lab. I'll be waiting. Bye! Okay. Great. Head back to the lab, and I just got on this new floor. What's going on? Back in the elevator, Luigi. Back in the elevator. Let's go. Whee! Okay. We only got 2 more floors, or 3 more floors left after this one. Wow. Come on, Luigi, let's go. Dance into the music in the elevator. Who knew you were so light on your feet? Luigi, have you taken dance classes? Let's go. Ah! Darn you, spider. Oh, you're going to my bag cleaner. Let's go see what the professor wants. Okay, I'm here, Professor. What do you want? Ah, Luigi. Ooh, excuse me. I've been waiting for you. Nah, it sounds so like Dracula. Oh? What? Huh? Oh, there's one toad missing. Oh, right. That was the bad thing I mentioned. You see, I was actually thinking about further modifying the poltergeist. Powering it up. I was confident that part may need modifying, so I had a toad go for it. But, well, come have a look at this, Luigi. It's footage from the camera I gave Toad. Great. Is Egad the hotel spy or something? Ah! Where's Toad going? Wow, I didn't know Toad could climb that high. Was attacked by ghosts in the place where the footage was taken. Listen, Luigi, this footage is a clue. You have to use what was in the footage to track Toad down. Oh, but above all, you must bring back that part. My invention is at stake. You absolutely agree. Okay. Go for it. Get out, Luigi. Go get it. Okay, well. Oh. Shop. Here, I'll do some bows, I guess. Okay. Well, I'll just buy the rest. Might need them further down the line. Okay, that's good for now. Okay, let's go. Alright, we're off to go find the Toad. Ooh, excuse me. We're off to go find Toad. We're off to go rescue my little Toad buddy. Let's take the elevator. Boing! Okay, get in the elevator. Luigi? What floor did I unlock? Okay, that's floor 12. But we have to go back to the boiler room. I thought I was done with the boiler room. Oh well. Because I forgot. I forgot about the Toad in the boiler room. I'm having a party. Having a party. Oh, darn. Party's over. Let's go. Being back here is kind of creepy. Not gonna lie, it is kind of creepy. Run! Luigi, run! Oh, yeah. Let's go. Whoa. Oh, okay, cool. I was gonna say, there better be lots of money in there for me. Okay. How does Luigi find room in his pocket for all his money and paper and stuff? Yeah, fudgies. I guess they have like a expando effect or something. You know, they expand. Come on, let's go. Luigi, don't play. You on a mission. Come on, buddy. Yeah, that works out fun too. Hope you're all enjoying this gameplay of Luigi taking down Ghost Butt. Oh yeah. Now Luigi can move on. Okay. Ugh. Yeah. Sometimes I forget when I'm playing this game. Okay. Win. Ah! Spider! I know where Toad is. It's under that shaky box. There's gotta be like a pipe or... Yeah. Oh, okay. I forgot to turn the wheel. Yeah, I forgot to turn the wheel. Now, you can go over there and rescue Toad. Come on. Ha! Toad! Okay. Where's this thing? Oh, okay. But the question is, how are we going to get Toad out? Okay. What is it, Toad? Hmm. Okay, let's see what that did. Oh, okay, I know how to get Toad out now. Okay. Sorry, Toad, but you... Ah, you found Toad. How fortunate. Seems like Egghead doesn't like their Toad people. Alright, looks like it's time for the main objective, the main event, try to find the part. Okay, yeah. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Come on, Toad. Okay. Oh, look. Okay, yeah, we hear ya. Clean all this junk out of the way first. Oh, wait. He can go over. He can go through the bars. Okay, one person stand here. Okay, wait, get over here. It'd be kind of cool if Toad was like helpful. What the? Okay, wait a minute. Alright, let's go see if I can get up here. Like I'm getting a free ride. Look at you. Not what I was expecting. Toad, you just stay up there. Sometimes it's hard to figure these puzzles out. I mean, I know what I gotta do. It's just I can't remember. That's the question. It's hard for me to remember what to do. Toad, get out of my way. Okay. Alright. Like I said, Toad, get out of my way. Crap. No, then get back down. Toad, get out of my way. Seriously, Toad? I need Luigi. Okay, wait. Okay. Wait. Luigi, walk up there. Okay, now. Now, Susie's over there. Oh, wait, I know what I gotta do now. Look, he has to stay over there. Luigi has to stay over there. Come on, turn it. Okay, fine. Okay, go, Luigi, go. Go, 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 go. No. You stay here while Luigi. This game kind of hard to do without Luigi. Anyway, I think. But let me know what y'all think in the comments below. Okay, we're here. Thanks for the free money. Okay, Toad, you're up. Good job, Toad. Let's get this thing, get out of here. That's it. That's the part I wanted to find it. Good job. Alright, Luigi, come back to the lab. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I think we gotta go up. Yeah! Ah, success! Success! Let's go. Great. Alright. I'll cook this. Come on, Toad. You and me? It kind of reminds me of, we're doing, Ocarina of Time, the Jumbo Belly one with the princess. Where she won't walk. That type thing. You know what I mean? Okay. Oh. Tuck the money for me, Toad. Sorry, Toad. Come on, let's go. I'll use Toad. Hey, Toad. Crap. Okay. Stay back, Toad. I'll fight all the monsters for you. It'd be kind of cool if Toad had like a backpack type suction thing too, and they could help. Toad could help me. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that was easy. Oh, we can go to the room now. Alright, Toad. Let's go. Oh wait, there's nothing in here but this. It's weird. That is weird. Ah. I hope me exploring everything. Like if I get gems and stuff, I hope that helps you out too. So you know where the gems and stuff are if you want to 100% complete the game with like gems and everything. If that made sense to you. I'm not a completionist or anything, but I like to have some high percentage in them and stuff. Let me know what your favorite Luigi Mansion 3 level is, or floor is. Hope y'all having a great day. Hope you're all having a great day. Yeah. Go. When it goes up, go. Dang it, get off me, ghost. Okay, fine. You'll go in my little vacuum cleaner trap. Bam! 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 Oh, yeah. Money! And... down this... Come on, Toad. Ah, I remember. This way, Luigi. If we go this way, exit should be through here. Okay. Yeah, Toad, we hear ya. Just collecting some money and some hearts and stuff. I'll be with you in a second. You can wait. You waited down here for a long time for me. Ah, help me! Toad, you should be happy. Hey, you ain't in his clutches. You ain't in the bad guy's clutches. Nope. That's a speedy ghost. Get away, mice. Okay. Right, Toad, do your thing. Man, is Toad's head made out of really heavy stone or something? But it looks like it has a handle. Alright, Toad, you gotta be... Almost. Get back up there, Toad. Shoot from here. Maybe a bounce. What's Toad's head made out of, I wonder? Yeah, I get it, Egad. Stop talking. I need to do this. Yeah, there we go. Come on, Toad. Let's go. I'm the winner! Yeah, Toad, you are. Go put it on the door. I'll go suck stuff up. Come on, let's go put it on the door. Okay, let's go. Wait. Grab it, Toad. Grab it. Luigi, plug that handle into the door. Yeah, I know. Toad dropped it, so plug. I guess I gotta do it myself. Let's go. Toad must have a head full of steel for banging all these bricks and everything. And Luigi must be working out. He must be really strong, pulling heavy doors like that. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Okay. Okay. Messy, messy, messy. Yay. Oh, really? We're trying to collect money. You're in my way. What's up with that? Right, Toad. I need you to use your head again. Thanks, Toad. Yeah, I know. Ooh, that's kind of cool. What is it, Toad? Right, Luigi. I'll suck you up for being a punny butt. I'm sorry. Okay. And I guess we are saved. What is it, Toad?